Question number A3. Work with your partner. List all the places where the poet wishes to go. The first one has been done for you. The poet wishes to go to the jungle, deep in the snow, deep in the ocean, to swim in the glass. A4. Read the extract and answer these questions that follow. Question number A. Write four things that the speaker had seen: the North Pole, ocean and seas, giraffe, kangaroo. Question number B. What does the speaker mean by turn back into me? It means to convert the poet back to his original form. Question number C. Why do you think the speaker wants to turn back into himself? The speaker wants to turn back into himself to enjoy his life as human beings. Question number 2. A. What does the speaker mean by the statement? The speaker means by this statement that he wants to learn to say thank in language of kangaroo. Question number B. What is meant by the word kangaroos? The word kangaroos means the language of kangaroo. Question number C. Why has the poet coined this word? The poet coined this word to give a unique touch to the poem. Question number A5. You probably have many thoughts after reading this poem. If you get a chance to go, where would you go? Express your thoughts in a form of poem paragraph. If I would go anywhere, I would go too deep to the ocean. I want to talk to a big whale. I would see many sea fishes and animals there. It would be a great fort to me. Question number A6. Piece, smell, floor, hair, plan, whole, wet, add. Question number A7. Ocean, a very large area of sea. Spin, to go round and round on its axis. Grasshopper, an insect with 8 legs. Skate, a boat with wheels for gliding over ice or a hard surface. Kangaroo, an animal with a pouch on its stomach. Question number A8. Kind, generous, tall, long, travel, journey. Question number B. Tick options. Number 1. Which city is called the Pink City? Jaipur. Question number 2. Where is the famous Sun Temple of Konark situated? Puri. Question number 3. Where is the holy shrine of the Sikh, the Golden Temple situated? Amritsar. Number 4. Which place is known as the paradise on earth? Kashmir. Number 5. Where is the Mahabalipuram? Tamil Nadu. Question number 6. Which city is called the Queen of Nilgiri Hills? Uti. Question number 7. Which is the famous tourist city at the southernmost tip of India? Kanyakumari. Question number B3. It is located at the southernmost tip of India. Nearest airport is 87 km away. The beaches have wonderful with mouth-colored sand. Vivekanand Rock Memorial is an important tourist place. Tamil, Malayalam and English language spoken. B6. Do you and your parents like the travel package offered by Beta Travels? Why not? Yes, I and my family like to travel package offered by Beta Travels. I want to go Kashmir and Dubai because they are beautiful places. Question number B7. The name of this temple is Sanchi Stup. The Great Stup of Sanchi is one of the oldest stone structures in India and an important monument of Indian architecture. It was originally commissioned by the emperor.